Hi, I'm going to walk you through my Romeo and Juliet mini lesson plan. The goals are that the students are going to create an original script, an ending to the play, and a mini movie for Romeo and Juliet that goes over their script. They're going to successfully utilize film techniques to transform the script to the screen, and they are going to share the finished product with peers on YouTube. The objectives are students will learn and understand how digital media transforms literature, and students will learn how to use digital media to deliver their message. The activity. After reading Romeo and Juliet, students will work in groups of their choice to rewrite the ending of the play. So students are going to pick a part of the play and change it. This part of the play has to have an impact on the original ending. So for example, Romeo killing Tybalt leads to his banishment, which then leads to ultimately Romeo and Juliet's end. That's one way of looking at it. Students will need to pick a scene, change it, so that the ending of the play has a different ending. This will be reflected in their script. Once students have rewritten the play and changed the ending in some way, they will act out their script and create a mini movie. Students will watch the following video to learn about basic film techniques. The video just includes some very basic film techniques, and they will have to utilize one of each of those in their final product. These include camera shot, angle, movement, editing, sound, special effects, and lighting. Students will also view examples from students who have completed this project before. I have made a list of those that I pulled off YouTube, and those are located on the second page of this document. Once students are familiar with the terms, they will begin to create their video. Students will need to have props and costumes in order to receive full points. Since they're putting a modern twist on this, their street clothes or regular clothing that they wear would be fine. My students wear uniforms, so they would have to wear something else other than their uniforms. Students will record their film using a recording device and then upload this to a movie editor such as iMovie, WeVideo, or OpenShot. They will have class time to learn how to use these products. They will then edit their film and publish it to YouTube. The students will be assessed on their knowledge of the activity and objectives through the project. In order to receive full credit, students will need to successfully use film techniques covered in the video as well as elements of drama. They will be assessed using the rubric on page 3 of this document. So here are student examples. I put a reminder here for my students, once again, that they'd have to use something other than their uniforms when looking at costumes. And then here's the rubric. This is a 20-point project grade. Successful completion will result in full points. Use this rubric as a checklist to ensure that you have included everything in your project. They are assessed on these 4 areas. They have the written portion, the video elements, video publish, and preparation. It ranges from 5, 3, to 1. Successful completion would include everything that I have discussed above. That means they have the elements of drama, they have rewritten the play successfully, they have used the film techniques, and it is obvious that they are prepared for the project. They're not reading from a script. They have it memorized. It looks natural. There's no hiccups along the way.